Well, does this look familiar? Window scratches, part 2. My last window scratch video, I said that it wasn't worth it to fix all the scratches. Well, that was before I got the total bill from Safelite. Told you 250 bucks to replace this windshield. 250 turned into about 340 to actually get them out there. I went ahead and told them, yeah, go ahead and come out. And then I got to thinking about it. Man, that's a lot of money. So I canceled it. So now I'm going to go back about 2 more pounds of cerium oxide. I got the car outside because I don't want to clean the garage again. So enough talk. Let's do it. Now, as you can see and as you can imagine, this is a pretty messy job. What I did was I went through a whole pound of cerium oxide. I started on the passenger side because last time I did the driver's side, so I'm going to try to get the passenger side done as much as I can. I'm going to check on it, see how it looks, and then go to the driver's side. windshield cleaned up, put a little bit of new finish polish on it, and I found this, it's got a whole bunch of nicks in it, but not too concerned about the nicks, mainly want to take care of the scratches, but it's definitely worth it this time. A lot more elbow grease, took me about 2 hours. Scratches are gone. From the inside, definitely looks way better. The real test is gonna be at nighttime, glare from cars, stuff like that, but I can't even see the scratches. So I wanted to show you at night what it looked like since it was so bad before. As you can see, it is way better than it was before. So my wife likes it, she's happy with it. I don't have to buy a new windshield, which is a good thing. Now I can't say it's perfect, it's definitely not like a brand new windshield, but if she likes it, then I'm happy that she is happy. You can see to the right of how it used to look, terrible at night. Very hard to see, very distracting. This is Wes telling you to keep your money in your pocket by doing it yourself.